First, we will start by making a snowman. And to make that snowman, you would need one piece of paper. It can either be used or not used, or scratch paper. Just use the place where it is blank. And you will be measuring your paper and be cutting it by that length. So now we will cut it by this length. Now we will be cutting it. Now that we have it, we will also be cutting it towards the length of the height. So now we will be cutting that. And then we will put either tape or glue. Best is glue stick onto the side. Either if it's scratch paper or reusable paper or anything like that, you put it on the side, on the other side, and then you will stick it onto your paper roll, and you will just be going around like that. This is how it would look like. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Now we will open our crafts kit. And we will be looking at what we have here. So since we are going to be making a snowman, you will be needing this, what's it called again? Pipe cleaners, nice pom-poms, stickers, and googly eyes, and also markers. Yeah. So now we will be making our snowman. And then first, we need the pom-poms and some pipe cleaners. And once you see the gingerbread on my face, I'm in the Christmas spirit. So now we will be putting the pom-poms towards the head to make the earmuffs. I need tape. That is our first one. And then second one's coming. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now we will cut this to put this on the head. We will cut it a little shorter. Like that. Like that. Just like that. And now we will add. Oh yeah, I just sneezed. So now we will add the ribbon for the scarf. Like this. No, like this. And put it on right now, like that. Just like that. And then now we will add the googly eyes. And now we are adding eyes to the snowman, and we are not going to put googly eyes anymore because we're too cool for that. We are putting some hands on our snowman. And there we go. This is without the googly eyes. And this is now our snowman. Yay! Look how beautiful my snowman is. Thank you for watching this channel and supporting us along the way. And make sure to watch the next series of Christmas crafts from Chantel, the amazing artist.